I have some new fosters and some new products. This is Max. He's not a foster. These are my resident kitties. This is the food they were out, so I had to go get them more. I got a cup because this little one is getting fat. She doesn't look fat in this picture, but you see how her belly comes out? She's definitely way overweight. She's only supposed to be 8 pounds. She's probably like 12 or something. These are for the fosters. They're pretty tiny. Let's see. I don't know which one will be food and which one will be water. Probably this should be water and this should be food. Whichever one holds more. 10.4 fluid ounces. 8 fluid ounces each. This one holds more. Okay, anyway. I went to PetSmart. That's where all our fosters are. Our rescue group does it. They get to put their kitties at PetSmart. Silly girl. Silly girl. So what I'm going to do is put my cat's food in here. Max is really good at it. And he usually takes it over. So I have 2 of them to see if Maya will do it too. That way they'll eat slower because Maya just like gobbles it down without chewing. Max eats really slow. So she gets to eat all the food practically, although he's good. He stays the same weight all the time. It's freaking awesome. I just been feeding him way too much because they like will wake you up. You know, there's all that stuff. I use this for the food. It is the coolest thing ever. This comes out so you can pour it. And this big thing opens up too, but I only ever use this. They're so hungry, huh? And I got this, I think somebody asked in a previous video, at Whisker City is PetSmart brand, but I have seen them at Ross, but after I bought this one and was using it, so that sucked because this was like 12 something, but it's totally worth it. I got one for these cats and my fosters, which you'll see shortly. Yeah, so sometimes you can find them at Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, but it's very hit or miss. So this is a cup. They should each have a half a cup. Oh, wait. That's daily. They're supposed to have a half a cup. Wait a minute. Wait, they're daily supposed to have a half a cup. So this would be double. I need to put half of this in here. Well, this doesn't work then because you have to estimate half a cup, which is hard to do. I'm going to put them in here. These are meant for treats, so they're only meant to be filled up one-sided, so this might be really hard to close these. I let them have some because if they're too full, they're not going to come out very well. Okay. Good job. Here you go. They'll make her eat way slower. Max can eat all these. He's a slower eater. Good job, Maya. She's like, I want the easy food. Is it time to cut your claws again? There's nothing in there. Those are Maya's. She got them out. Go eat your treat ball. Vacuum. they got the hang of it. So let's go see the foster babies. Oh, you guys are so little and cute. You guys made a mess. I wanted to get the mat that makes it so they don't slide everywhere. I'm gonna use this bowl for, oh my gosh. Okay, there are two little boys. This one's a loudmouth. They are approximately 6 weeks and 1 pound. And they're eating dry food really good. They go to the bathroom. They're really healthy. Look at their little tiny tails, so cute. They're both boys, and I still have to name them. I just got them late last night. I got their water in that one of my bowls right now, which I don't normally do. It's just that the water bowl I had for them was stainless steel and had this weird rubber on the bottom, which was kind of expensive, and I thought it would be good because it would last. Oh my gosh, they're so tiny. Could fit in that bowl. Oh my gosh, what's wrong? I don't remember. So what I was saying is I forgot that, I'm learning that maybe all glass would be fine, but the stainless steel with the thing on it was not a good idea. It started smelling really weird on the bottom. It smelled like cat urine, but I don't think it was. I mean, it could be good that they peed on it, but I kept washing it and it kept smelling like that, and it was just gross. So I threw it away, and they spilled these all over. So I used to kind of think quality, would last a long time, but I'm kind of just, with fosters, I feel like I'm learning to get disposable stuff. Why are you so whiny? You're so cute. My battery is getting low. I just put them some water in here. It holds a little more water than the other dish. They're so cute. You're purring so loud. You say hi to everybody? Well, yeah, definitely say hi to everybody. Come on, focus. Not the kitty, the camera. I have a new iPhone. Not that I'm filming with here, but that I want. Oh, this autofocus is turned off. Maybe that's the problem. That I heard has the ability to film in 4K. So I'm hoping that will be really cool. Although this one's really cool because it has a pause button. I'm not sure if the iPhone does. Alright, we'll see you later.